Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Let us now solve the last bits, 13th, 14th, 15th bits of this problem 4 in this video. When you try to find the difference between consecutive terms, you will get root 6 minus root 3 for term 2 minus term 1, root 9 minus root 6 for term 3 minus term 2. Finally, there is no equal or common difference in the given series. That is the reason it is not forming an arithmetic progression. Similarly, let us try to solve the next bit. So, in this bit also, when you simplify and find the difference between consecutive terms, you will get unequal differences. As a result, we can say that this series is also not in arithmetic progression. Let us now solve the last bit of this problem 4, and this is the given series, and try to find the difference between consecutive numbers. So term 2 minus term 1 value is 24, term 3 minus term 2 also 24. Since this difference is same, equal, fixed, we can say that this given series is in arithmetic progression because there is a common difference between consecutive terms. And we have the value of d, we have the value of a. Using these values and this formula, we can find term 5, term 6, term 7. So this 97 is our term 5, 121 is our term 6, 145 is our term 7. Hope you got good clarity on the problems whichever we have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.